folks, Saidi Johnson at MarineMax in Austin. Today we're in the Lakeway location, and I just wanted to reach out to everybody to let them know that at MarineMax we have lots of resources. You have myself as well. I have lots of resources personally as an employee here and a sales associate. I've been here 24 years. There's a lot of things I can help you with. I can understand what's important to you, understand what the right fit is for you. That's what I really want to do for you so that your boating experience can be the best that it's possibly going to be. Today, we're aboard the Sea Ray 230 SPX. It has an elevation tower on it, and this boat is right in that sweet spot of 23 feet that a lot of people want to find the right price point, a good price point for a 23-foot boat that will hold 13 people and give you the comfort of stability when you're in the water. Can you imagine having a boat like this at this price and being able to put your whole crew on board? That's what everybody's goal is, to have fun on the water. So with lots of storage, you've got some digital screening on this one, and it's powered by the Mercruiser 4.5 liter 250 horsepower. Pushes this boat just great, and it's plenty of power. So with a color scheme that might be right for you and the right temperatures, get ready for the summer. We look forward to meeting you and understanding what's important to you. We'll sit down and make sure that we find the right fit for you. But this is the Sea Ray SPX 230 2023 model. Come out to Lakeway and see us. We'll help you out, and see you next time.